Okay, so it's 3 a.m. in the morning and we're getting ready to go to the Colca Canyon tour. How are you feeling?
Surprisingly okay.
Surprisingly okay?
Yeah.
I'm quite tired.
Yeah. We're preparing some coca tea before we leave because we're about to go up another 2,000 meters from 3,000 that we are now, or 2,000, sorry, that we are now, to about 4,000, I think. So that will help us with the altitude a little bit, we hope. So yeah, just waiting for the tour guide to come pick us up and then we'll be on our way.
Yeah. Okay, see you later. So we have just arrived to Chivay. It's a beautiful, really local, tiny town where we're going to have breakfast.